class, and I'm teaching AI vibe coding. So in this class, we're going to go over kind of what an LLM is and how to use it. I'm going to teach you all how to use your credits efficiently so you don't spend extra money trying to get your AI to build something in an inefficient way. We could talk about integrations and kind of where AI gets information sourced from. And then in terms of building our projects, we're going to set up either VS Code or something like Cursor to do our AI kind of project development. We're going to talk about the different modes that go into it in terms of like an agentic model versus planning or just asking questions you might be more familiar with. So we're going to kind of create our templated projects, and we're going to learn how to engineer efficient prompts and how to debug those prompts so that once you do have your AI start generating some files, that we also cognitively know what's going on in our projects so that we can debug it and actually know what's going on under the hood and just kind of use AI for what it's good at, kind of writing those quick templated things and helping us solve our problems instead of just doing everything for us, right? So we will create our own applications. We'll learn how to manage backups so that you don't lose your progress. We'll be working through components kind of one at a time. We can iterate so that we can keep track of kind of version 1, version 2, and we ultimately are going to be able to deploy our projects, whether that be deployed to the web or as like an exe file or a script, depending on what the project is that we're making. So yeah, those are kind of some of the basics of what we're going to get into in this class. And I'm looking forward to teaching it, and I'm looking forward to meeting all of you guys.